Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, I'm back from my trip to Waco, Texas and the Magnolia Marketplace. What a great trip. I had an amazing trip from start to finish. Everything was perfect and I couldn't have asked for more. I enjoyed my reunion with Candace. You know, when I reached out to Candace to see if she would be game to go do this spur of the moment trip, she was right there. She was right on board, and so I'm so thankful for her and her friendship and that she was ready to do this with me, because this has been a trip that I have dreamed about for quite some time. So it was really great. And then Molly, one of my subscribers who's been, you know, a dedicated commenter and a dedicated watcher of my channel for a long time now, lives in Texas, and she met us there, and she and her friend Sandy just were everywhere with us the first 2 days, and it was wonderful. So I am going to be sharing that in an upcoming vlog. It's probably going to be 2 parts because there was so much that we did and that I want to share with you guys. So it's going to take me some time. I'm just back today. We got back last night. Well, I got back last night. I'm going to do a nail video, and I'm going to do these impressed nails that I got from Jilly in my amazing, you know, tons of nails that I did. So I'm going to do these because the nails I did in my last video, these pretty pink nails, I have had these on for a whole week. I did them last Monday in preparation of my trip. And as I had shown in that video, I put a drop of my super glue, the original super glue, on these nails. A lot of people asked why, since these are pre-glued nails, and I do it just to make sure it's like a double, you know, guarantee that they will stay on, because, you know, these impressed nails come pre-glued and they do stay on really, really well. I have had some in the recent past that pop off very easily, like within a day, not even. So that's why I put the extra glue on there, even though the older impressed nails stayed on perfect. But I am gonna put a drop of glue on these too, because these did not fall off, not once. They're starting to lift now, so I'm ready to take them off and put on a new set. And I wanted something with color. One of my subscribers, Julie, which today's her birthday, happy birthday, Julie, she had commented she was surprised I didn't put Halloween nails on. I love the Christmas nails, I love the fall color nails, but I'm not big on the Halloween nails. I don't like the spiders, I don't like all that kind of freaky stuff. For some reason. So that's why I didn't put any actual Halloween nails on. But these nails, I'm in the mood for color. And I do like green for some reason, this dark green. And these nails have a peacock nail in there as an accent nail. And I'm going to do all green, but I'm going to do my ring finger with the peacock nail. So I'm in the mood for color, I'm in the mood for something, and it's Halloween today, so, you know, it's apropos, and I'm just gonna do it, and this is what I was drawn to. All right, guys, so as far as Waco and the Magnolia trip and what I bought, so on the Waco tour, we went, which was absolutely great. Waco tours, if you ever make the trip, definitely take the Waco tours, because it takes you to a couple of the fixer-uppers. It takes you through all of Waco, and you learn some really interesting facts. And one of the places we went was Clint Harp Design Company, and I got this t-shirt there. And this is a table, you know, on Fixer Upper. Joanna always goes to see Clint to get these magnificent pieces of furniture made from all kinds of wood that he has, and he does these great, like, the legs of the tables and stuff like that. It's really artistic and really cool, and I always loved to see what he comes up with. And so this t-shirt from his shop is what I picked up when we went on the tour. And I also got a little tiny wooden cutting board, and I will try to show the things that I got in the vlog itself, you know, where it's apropos to what you're seeing, but I definitely will try to share the things that I picked up. I also picked up these earrings in one of the shops at the silos, the little cottage shops, and this was part of the jewelry that Joanna sells there, and I really, really loved them. And she wears a lot of the wooden earrings on the shows, and they look really, really great. And so that's one thing that I picked up along with this t-shirt. So just gonna do these nails. At the end of this video, when Bob comes home later tonight, we'll pick the winners of the nail giveaway from the nail boxes that I got from Jilly, and a lot of people have sent in emails to get in the running for that, and I thank you all for that. So I'm gonna put all the names in a hat. Bob's gonna pick the 5 winners, and you'll see them at the end of this video, and then I'll email everybody and ask you to send me your address so I can send you the bundle of nails. So I'm excited about that. So I'm just gonna put these nails on. Let's see how they come out. It's not gonna be a real nail tutorial for you. I'm just gonna quickly pop these off, give them a quick file, and then I will pop them on. I am gonna trim them down because they are long for me. So I'll trim them down and we will see how they come out. And then, like I said, at the end of this video will be the drawing for the nail bundles. So come on down and let's see how these nails come out.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter. An open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. I glide across the ground and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open, like a rose that already found some.
All right, guys, so these nails are really kind of cool. I actually really like them, and I like the accent nail. I love the green. I think the green is actually very, very pretty, very much in line with the season. Tomorrow's November 1st. Yeah, I'm happy with them. I'm happy with how they came out. And again, you know, these nails were way too long for me, and I wouldn't have normally gotten them or picked them up. But you never have to not get a set of nails because they're too long, because you can just trim them down and easily file them. These nails file so easily. I just go straight across and then, you know, smooth out the corners, and it's so easy. I'm not good at filing nails, but these nails are so easy to file that even I can do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. Don't sell yourself short. Pick up one of these really cheap, they're very inexpensive, acrylic nail trimmers, and I always link them below in all my nail videos from Amazon, and I also link the original super glue, which I love. So anyway, guys, you know, don't go away, because I am going to do the giveaway right after this, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so as promised, we are going to put the names in the hat, and Bob's going to pick them for me. I got like 28 people who have put in for this. Where are you going?
Well, you don't want to. Good.
And I want to make, which I'm really psyched about, and thank you very much for everybody who, you know, went in for the winning. So I'm just going to I'm going to read the names so you know you got in, and then Bob's going to pick 5 names. So here we go. Claudette F. Sorry about Choo Choo. I'm just not going to give her a chip right now. Claudette. Julie B.
And where are these people from? Do you know as you
Oh, no, they're from all over.
Okay.
These are my subscribers. I'm very thrilled with them. Marilyn F.
Good luck, Marilyn.
You're going to have to say that for everybody.
Right.
Say good luck, everybody.
Good luck, everybody.
Kathy M.
Good luck, Kathy M.
Choo Choo.
Good luck, Kathy B.
Kathy B.
Good luck, Becca Lynn.
I'll let Bob read them, I guess, huh?
Good luck, Snuggle.
Snuggle. I shouldn't have another name, so.
Good luck, Delcy K. Evelina O. Evelina. Good luck. Evelina P. Who do we have next? Whitney I.
Yeah, Whitney I.
We got Whitney I. And Adri A.
Yep.
Cecilia A. My mother's name, Cecilia.
Yep.
Christina M. M stands for more tickets. Angie P. Good luck, Angie P. Barbara M. Barbara Mandrell.
Might be.
Shirley A. Jasmine. Good luck, Jasmine. Lynn V. Becky S. For Becky Sue.
It's not Becky
No.
Sue.
Lisa G. Lisa.
That's a R. Arika?
Arika L. Arika. Laurie M. Good luck, Laurie. Mary W. My eyes are Misty C. The dawn has risen. Dawn G.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Sarah Ann. Candace W. And Deborah Ann.
All right. So let's get these all mixed up in here. All right. So what you're gonna do, babe? I'm gonna hold this, and you're gonna.
No, I'm going to hold it.
You're
pick
gonna
it.
hold it. No, you're gonna pick.
No, because I'm holding it and I can see. You won't be able to see.
I can barely reach.
All right.
Show. You gotta show the hat though. They got no. I mean, they gotta see the hat. Let's move back a little bit. Okay.
This is good.
This is good. All right, the first winner jumped out of the hat at us, so this is the definite. Kathy B. Kathy B. All right, next one.
Good luck, Kathy.
Kathy, she already won.
already won.
Kathy B. She's a lucky lady. All right, here's the next one. Barbara M. Yay, Barbara. All right, next one. This is fun.
Oh, it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of fun, ladies and gentlemen. You got to try this at home.
Okay, here's the next one. Deborah Ann.
Oh, Deborah Ann.
Barbara and Deborah. And Kathy B. All right, 2 more. All right. Cecilia.
Boy.
Cecilia A.
My mother's name.
Wow, isn't that something, huh?
Yep.
All right, the last but definitely not least is, drum roll please. I feel like that was like a
Yeah.
Christmas Vacation when she
Yeah.
Julie B.
Julie B.
Yay, Julie
B. Congratulations. Congratulations to everybody who played.
Yay, so my 5 winners, I'm going to email you and ask you to send me your home address so I can mail these out to you. And I hope that you really enjoy these nails. So thanks everybody. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for joining this giveaway and for watching. And
until next time,
if you're new here, please consider subscribing and coming on back. I promise Choo Choo doesn't screech in all my videos. That's my bird. Yeah, so I will see you in my next video, which will be part 1 of my vlog to celebration. So take care, everyone. See you next time.
bye.